Okay, Vimeo. Now, I've only got a few days left. If you have a lifetime code for Vimeo, lifetime code means you can download the videos and keep them for life. Doesn't mean you've got access to the channel forever. Well, you've got access to the channel for the lifetime of the channel, which is closing on the 13th. So you've got a few days left to download those if you have a lifetime access code. If you're on a monthly, I'm sure Vimeo will honor those because you've gone through the system. Those of you who are on yearly codes, if any of you lose access on the yearly code, let me know, and I'll organize a copy somehow for you. Yeah, we'll have to get that worked out. But I've paid to use Vimeo as a yearly just for storage. So even if they don't allow sales anymore due to my PayPal not working, so we'll look at how to sort that. If anyone's got just a yearly access and they lose access, one of the conditions I have to have something for sale. When I opened Vimeo, it was for reference for students. I had no intention of selling videos to the public, but they said for me to send a code to someone, an access code, it's only for something that's available for sale. So I made it available for sale, and a lot of people subscribed and got access. So now that PayPal don't allow use for foreigners in Thailand, I don't have PayPal anymore, and I've lost access. So PayPal haven't paid me for 4 or 5 years now. So Vimeo hasn't paid me for 4 or 5 years, basically. So it's just time to let them go. But so if you have a lifetime code, the lifetime of the channel finishes in a week or so. So please get those all downloaded. And once you have them, you've got them for life. All right, I hope that helps with people who are asking questions about Vimeo.